So Erica is shaking up all our entries for this big prize we're getting ready to give away.
Okay.
So Erica is going to pull a name for our big prize.
Susanne Kennedy.
And what city is she
Santa Fe,
from?
New Mexico.
Santa Fe, New Mexico. Okay, now I want you to give her a call.
Okay. Hi Suzanne, it's Erica at Toyota. How are you? I'm doing wonderful. I was giving you a call with some fantastic news. You were the winner of our one night for two stay in a king casita at the 4Seasons, and you also won flowers by Amanda's Flowers. You totally did. Right? Isn't that exciting? Awesome. Great. Let me get some info from you and then we can schedule a time for you to come and pick up your prize. Awesome. Thank you so much.